Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about 5 ways to make money online after you've been banned. When I say banned, I mean, of course, banned from the bookmakers through doing strategies like match betting and value betting. If you don't know what match betting or value betting is, then there'll be a couple of links down in the description for my completely free courses on how to get started with those. But before we get into these 5 ways to make money online that don't involve your bookmaker accounts at all, I'd just like to mention the Profit Boss Match Betting and Value Betting Facebook group, just in case you haven't yet started doing these betting strategies and you still have accounts that you could use, or you could just get started completely from fresh. But those of you that have been banned by all the bookmaker accounts know from first-hand experience that when you're taking that value from the bookies, they're going to ban you or at least restrict you. And then there are strategies that you can do, such as using this each way sniper software, which is on the Betting Mastermind 2.0. And the reason why you can use this software for making profit on restricted accounts is because you only need to do like £1, £2 each way bets here. This software is just one of the many that's included in Betting Mastermind 2.0. I'll leave a link down below for a more detailed video on exactly how that strategy works and how you can do it on restricted accounts. And of course, there'll be a link to Betting Mastermind 2.0, which includes actually 15 different systems and softwares there that you can use on your bookie accounts. But let's talk about 5 strategies you can do to make money online if you've done that strategy as well already and had your bookie accounts closed down completely. So kicking us off then at number 5, it's going to be what I'm doing right now, starting a YouTube channel. Although I've not just started, I've been doing this 5 years now. But if you haven't yet got into making YouTube videos, you could start a channel, and ways to earn money on that are getting views on your videos. So you're going to get paid around £2 for every 1,000 views that you get. Some niches, if you're talking about making money online, so like this video for example, should earn around £8 for every 1,000 views. On higher viewed videos, like different niches, so like car videos, you can get sort of millions of views on those and end up earning thousands of pounds, as I actually did on one of my car videos on the Crazy Speed channel. Other ways you can make money on YouTube are obviously video sponsorships. As your channel grows larger, companies will get in touch with you and actually want to pay you to mention their company on your channel. That can be from anywhere as like £100 they'll pay you up to £20,000. Then of course you've got affiliate commissions, where you can put links to different companies' products in your description, and when people click on that and buy that product through your link, you're going to earn 10% commission, up to sometimes like 75% commission. So if someone spends like £100 and you're getting 75%, you'll actually earn £75 from that one sale. Then there's like memberships that you can set up, where you can go onto a site like Launchpass and set up a Discord community where people pay a few pounds a month. And you know, if you get 1,000 members paying you £5 a month each, that's like £5,000 a month just there. Now, the disadvantages to setting up a YouTube channel is that it's not for everyone. You've got to get out of your comfort zone, and it can take many years of work. I mean, for me, I actually was on YouTube for 4 months where I didn't earn a penny, and after 4 months I then started to earn a bit of money, and I think I earned like £100 after month 5. It's not for everyone if you can't work for completely free and not be getting paid straight away. Method number 4 is going to be over on TikTok this time, and it's going to be selling things through something called TikTok Shop, or actually TikTok Affiliate. And it's where you're actually creating videos on products, and then people are going onto TikTok, watching your content, and if they like the product that you're actually showing on the video, they can literally just click on the screen and buy it straight through your link on TikTok there. And each time they do that, you're then gonna earn a commission from that. So say a product is like £10 and you earn 10% commission, then obviously from that one sale, you're gonna earn £1. And that doesn't sound like much, but when you consider that millions and millions of views are happening every day, probably billions actually, you could get like 500 sales in a week and earn £1 on each and just make £500 from a single video. Again, there's downsides to getting started with this because you're not going to make money from it straight away. You do need to have a bit of confidence on camera, but it is a method nonetheless. Number 3 is actually going to be something that's relatively new to the market, which is creating AI Instagram accounts and AI models and you're going to be able to make money from that, from the following that you're going to build. Obviously, you're going to have sponsorships on there, pretty much the same way you could make money on YouTube, but it's with using AI models. But that's not really one for me. It's just something that's not morally sitting well with me. You kind of like coercing and tricking people that they're real models, and yeah, it just doesn't sit well with me. But maybe you're watching this video and you're like, yeah, I could do that. And there are some people literally making thousands of pounds a day with their AI Instagram pages. Number 2 is going to be setting up on Fiverr, the freelance marketplace, and providing your services. So if you know how to do video editing, you can advertise yourself on there. If you know how to do like Photoshop, you can advertise on there. There's so many different skills that you may have that you could advertise and do for people on there. Now, the downsides to doing Fiverr and being a freelancer on there is it's extremely competitive. There's a lot of people on there already offering the services in other countries that aren't as modern as the UK. They're charging like $5. That's why it's called Fiverr. $5 for their service, which might take them like 2 hours to do. So they're only earning like less than £2 an hour. And most people in the UK and the US aren't going to want to work for as little as like £2 an hour. So there's a lot of downsides to it. I tried Fiverr myself. It is possible to make money on there, but it is very difficult and can take a very long time to build your page up on the Fiverr website. Now, these money-making methods have in no way been ranked like best to worst or worst to best, but this next one, it just happens to be number 1, and in my opinion is the very best because it's suitable for people that aren't really wanting to be on camera. They don't have a social media following already. There's just so many benefits to this first method, and you may have heard me talk about it on the channel already in a couple of videos already, but it's actually starting your own competition page through the website Raffle. What Raffle allows you to do is literally just join up. Within a few hours of setting up your page, you can be raffling off items and selling tickets and earning money. And I've actually been doing it now for over a year. In just over a year of doing it, I've made over £50,000. And in the last 6 months, I've now managed to get my monthly earnings to average £5,000 a month. Now, because I've had so many people asking me about how to get started with Raffle and how to set up their own page, I actually did set up a members-only Discord community, and I've just released lesson 5 of the course that I'm putting together to show people exactly what I've been doing and how to get started building your own page. So if you want to check out the link for that, it'll be down in the description. And it's not just a course that you would be buying into, it's actually full-on support from me. Any questions that you have going forward with, listing your prizes to getting the prize to the winner and so on and so forth, I'll be there to help you as a mentor for you. So it's not like other courses where you buy it, you're left to your own devices, you kind of go through the lessons and then you're left wondering, okay, what do I do next? I'm actually there as your helper for life, until you stop asking me questions. I'll be there to help you get it going and get profitable. Please do comment below if you've got any money-making ideas that don't involve bookmaker accounts. I'd love to know what they are. If you enjoyed this video, had any value from it, do tap the like button below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.